We all know why timeshare companies offer free stays at their resorts, and that is at the end of the stay you agree to a sales pitch. And when you go to that sales pitch, most are very defensive, have a pre-planned exit strategy, and their closing percentages are very low. But they do sell some of those who do attend. Hello everyone, I am David Lewis. Did you also know that when a salesperson states any type of trial close, might it be as aggressive as, if we can come together in terms and numbers, would you buy this car today? Or something as soft as, did this car meet all the needs and expectations you were looking for in a car? That at that very moment, the customer becomes defensive, puts an exit strategy into place, and your closing ratios drop. So why do we do this? Well, we do this because that's the way we've always done it. Now consider this. If the customer's response to the trial close was, and usually is, a negative comment, what do salespeople do next? Well, they try to overcome that negativity and thus make the customer even more defensive. How does this help sell a car? It doesn't. And it gets worse. Now when the salesperson touches desk with a sales manager and the sales manager asks if they are buying a car today and the salesperson responds with not today, now think of the environment that has been created. The salesperson is upset, the sales manager is frustrated, and the customer is defensive. What a horrible environment. So, stop these silly trial closes. Just assume the customer will buy the car. People buy cars based on 4 factors. First, they found a car they love. Second, they like the salesperson. Third, they want to do business at that dealership. And then finally, the price is fair and reasonable. So stop these ridiculous trial closes. Sell the car, sell the salesperson, sell the dealership, and in most cases, the price will sound fair and reasonable. Regardless of what direction is best for you regarding trial closes, I truly hope that I've made you think. Good luck, everyone.